Hello YouTube, it's the Mac Hacker 686 here, and today I'm going to be doing a tutorial on just some tricks with Terminal. You can mess with a couple things, and I'll probably be giving you some tips along the way. So I'm going to start it off with giving you a tip. I'd make a document of some sort. You can write it down by hand if you want, but I used a Word document. You can use Word, Pages, Notepad, whatever, it's up to you. But it's just a place where you can keep all your code. I haven't finished mine. There's plenty of code I still have to write. But you can just write however much or however little code you want. So the first terminal trick I'll be showing you today is a matrix sort of thing. It looks like the matrix. It's just a bunch of echoing numbers and stuff. So first thing you gotta do is open Terminal. I have mine on my dock right here, but if you don't know how to find it, hit Command Spacebar. That'll open up Spotlight search, and then type in Terminal. It'll be right there. You can usually just hit Enter, so it'll be in Applications here. Right, so open up some window of Terminal and type in while open bracket true, close bracket, space do space echo space dash n. Then you gotta put one of these brackets in there. It's the ones with the little arrow on the side. Then in this bracket you can put whatever you want. So numbers, letters, symbols, whatever. Just go for it. So I'll just put it whatever. Right. So then you gotta do close bracket, the same type of bracket, semicolon, done. Then hit enter. So you'll see it looks just like a bunch of repeating code. So yeah, then to shut that off, to stop it, hit Control C. That'll just stop any repeating command. So if you look, you can just see the brackets here, right, all around in the code. There they are. There's one of them here. See, there it is. That's what I'd originally typed. So it's just a bunch of that. So, yeah, that one's cool. The next thing I'm going to show you is how to change your dock into 2D. Right now I have the stock dock, except for these spaces between my icons, but I'll show you that later. It's a 3D dock, it's pretty cool. So what you want to do to change it to a two-dimensional dock is type in defaults right space com.apple.Dock space no dash glass space dash boolean, and then in caps yes, and then hit enter. Once you've done that, type in killall, one word, then dock. Make sure it's got a capital D or it won't work, and hit enter. And see, there you have it, the two-dimensional dock. Still does all the magnification and stuff, but yeah. And then to change it back to the 3D, you do the same command you did it the first time. So defaults right com.apple.Dock no dash glass dash boolean no in cap locks. So hit enter, then kill all dock again, and there you go, back to normal. Alright, next trick I'm going to show you. I don't know why you'd use it unless you're pranking a buddy or something. So what it does is when you go to click on an icon, it makes it huge. So right now it's not that big. So what you gotta do, open Terminal again, type in defaults right com.apple.Dock, then space large size, all one word, space dash int space. You can go up to any number. I go to 512. That's the highest I'd recommend going. Usually it doesn't go any higher than that anyways. So then you hit enter. Won't do anything there because you have to type in killall.Dock with a capital D. Right? So the dock looks normal, but then when you go to click on something, I'll go to open Safari, and then the icon is huge. So it does that with all your icons on your dock. So then the default magnification is 128. So you'd go defaults right com.apple.Dock largesize dot dash int 128. Hit enter. Killall dock. And then you'll see the magnification is back to normal there. Alright. Yeah, so the next trick I'll be showing you is how to put a recent apps folder on your dock. So it just has all the recent apps you've been using. So it's pretty helpful if you take the icon off your dock or something and you want to get to it. So I'll just copy paste this one because it's a long one. I'll put all the code in the description. So the only problem with copy pasting into terminal, I find it doesn't always work. So yeah, so done, right? So then you type in killall dock, and then you can see it right here, recent applications. So then you can drag this. It has to be on this side of the dock as far as I know. I'll try and put it on this side. Let's see. Yeah, see, it doesn't work. So there it is, right here. It has to be on this side. So yeah, that one's pretty helpful. And then the dock spaces that I have between my icons here, it just helps to organize your dock a bit. So this is the code right here. I'll just copy it again because it's a lot. No, it's the top one. So this is for the left side of your dock. The division line is this magnification bar. So this is the left side over here, and this is the right side. So for the left side, you do that one. I'll have it specified which one. Then hit enter. Then killall dock. Whoops. Enter. Right? You see, here it is right here. Then you can move it around, but you have to get right onto the bottom of your dock here. Click it. You can't hold it. Click it, and then you can move it around. Right? So that one's pretty neat. And yeah, you can, to remove them, you can just remove them like you would an icon. See? So, there you go. That's for the left side, and then for the right side. This computer's annoying at times. And then killall dock again. And there it is right here. Right? So, there you go. Yeah, I'll leave that one there. So, the next one I'll be showing you is to have your hidden icons turn transparent. So, when you right-click an active icon and hit hide, it turns transparent like this. And then you can show it again, and it'll work. So what you do is, I'll just type this one out, is you do default right com.apple.Dock, and then go space show hidden space dash boolean. Sorry about the background noise, that's my little brother's. And space in caps, yes. Enter, then killall dock. Oh, don't know why I always do that. So now it might have just turned off for me. Yes, no, see, there it is. Then to turn that off, you do the exact same thing, but with no instead of yes. Then killall.Dock. So let's hide iPhone for instance. Oh, it won't even let me. It has to be an active phone. Right. So hide. Show. So what that'll do is just close the window, but actually it's like minimizing. So let me just turn that on there. So there you go. So that way you can keep track of what is open but just not shown. So next thing is they put Star Wars in terminal on telnet. I think it's pretty cool. So what you gotta do is type in telnet space towel.blinkenlights.nl and hit enter. Then it'll just take a minute to connect to telnet. Oh right, yeah, won't work for me. My internet's down, which kind of sucks. So there you have it, my tutorial on just some cool tricks on terminal. Like, subscribe, and all that good stuff. See you next time. Thanks, guys.